Okay, so she wanted an egg, a boiled egg, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do another one for the morning because I always give her breakfast before daycare, even though they feed her daycare. I don't care. That's just me, what I do as a mother. It started boiling, so that's what I'm showing you. And then once that finished, I take it out, put the rest of them, mash it all up, put butter and salt. And now I got the freezer bags. So I'm about to put the rest of the fish in this freezer bag. Okay, we all done. Okay, here go the codfish, here go the salmon, and it's on top of the mashed potatoes. Bon appetit, guys. Let me know in the comment section, have you made this before? Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so what's the sale today at CVS? They got this little table here, and she's exhausted. So what's that? Something for the pool? Okay, fancy. Thank you. They got all these chairs and a pool cooler. Shenanigans. Let me know in the comment section how much y'all loving my music. But anyway, I had to get me some labels for my garlic honey and for my fire cider because I only have Caribbean green seasoning and Caribbean sofrito on my Etsy shop. The labels. So, you know, your girl got to get, now that I'm established in my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, one word, y'all look me up. Okay, I got 5 stars. So I know how y'all feel about reviews. Y'all already know my reviews is popping. Yes, I said it. So, as it should be. So, everything organic. Check me out, Nova's Kitchen, one word. But let's go. So, We just driving home. But I got some roses from the secret admirer. He came to my job, and first of all, he gave them to somebody, and I don't know who it is. And I'm just like, okay, thank you. So I just want to let you know, shout out to you. Thanks. So since then, I have been getting roses every Friday.
Sometimes you just
but from somebody else.
Don't treat yourself,
Mind you, I used to basically get myself roses.
Honey.
So look at how God works.
These are gorgeous. Thank you, Mike. Oh, I love them. Gorgeous. Oh, I just love these. Yes. Yes. Oh, look at these. I got these from a secret admirer. Oh, thank you.
Mom. Mom.
Okay, so I'm just cutting them up, putting them in the vase. You see I got 2 vases. Yes, and then I'm going to put some on my altar because I have an altar for my Orishas and for my ancestors, as I should. But we about to go pay them homage, pay them respect, and go to the rivers to see Mama Oshun and Mama Yemaya. If y'all don't know, y'all Google it, because those are the Orishas of the waters, of the lakes, the rivers, and the sea. So we about to go in there and pray, and that's what we do every Friday on Venus Day, which is when you're supposed to do that.
Right here.
So yes, let's have a moment of silence.
She can get it, say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you.
Cheese, don't, now she knows. Cheese. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and him. I really wanna know.
So she was at this park, and she was having the time of her life. Y'all hear her laugh? Look at her trying to creep. But she found this little boy. He was such a darling. So they was playing, and we was at the park. So how did y'all do in this weather? We've been having this summer weather. But I went home, cooked some curry shrimp. Y'all already know how I do. Look at it. You hear the sizzling? And then I did some cornbread with some honey and vanilla, and it was thebomb.com as per usual. Then I had to do her hair for school, get ready for the next day. I found this at Dollar Tree, only $1.25. It's detangling olive oil spray. Go get yours. I also use coconut oil and castor oil on her hair to make it more manageable. Yep, and I get it from Dollar Tree also, so go get yours, like I said. So she was at this park, and she was loving it, playing with her little friend. But I just love how they still have, like, the old-time things in the park that you can play with. Like, this is kind of like the jungle gym, but it's not. It's like, new and improved, but, feel me, they still have stuff that, you know, kids could play with. Because nowadays, kids can't play with nothing. Innocent. So she was having the time of her life. And this little boy is 3. And I'm just like, or 2 or something like. I swear I love to hear her laugh. Like, her laugh is so innocent and, like, joyful, you know, like, full of innocence and love. That's why I fill her cup up every day with love. And I picked up from daycare, and she was pooped. But look at this sunset, guys. Oh, my goodness. I love it. It's just so glorious. Like, God is amazing. Every day I thank God for everything I have, all my children, my health, my strength, my wealth, my friends, my job, my house, my truck, everything. Like every single thing. The air we breathe, the trees, the birds, everything, the flowers. But thanks for watching, guys.